Hey guys, I just want to do a quick review of this. This is the AMIR, I believe, AMIR scale, and this is the kitchen scale for people that like to do measurements for cooking or for if you want accuracy. Okay, it's very accurate, and I will have a link to this amazing scale that I got from Amazon. It usually costs just about $15 to $20 this scale, but it's very accurate when you use it for baking. For baking cakes, for making pizza, for anything that requires measurements, because this can get down to 1/10 of a gram or 1/10 of an ounce. So let me show you what I mean. So what you do is like you can put your so what you can do is you will put your item on here and then you turn it on and it's gonna zero the scale, okay? And then you could put your ingredients. So you put your mixing bowl. And you see, it's 0, right? Then you can put your ingredients. Now, in this example, I just have a cup of water, okay? But you can put a bowl and turn it on, so make sure it says 0, and then you pour your ingredients. And let me show you, right here, as you can see, this is gram. Here, you press the M button, and it changes to ounces. You see? 1/10 of an ounce. Ounces, gram, okay? And here's some more modes. I don't actually use those modes. Like, I'm not sure what those modes are for. Here's CT, but I usually use gram or ounces. If you're in the US, you would use ounces. If you're in other countries, you might use gram. But it comes with this cover too. But once you're done, I'm going to turn it off, okay? So I'm going to zero it out. So I want to zero it out. And you see this cover? You just put it on and it'll tell you how much it weighs, okay? See how many ounces this is. You see this? This is 0.73 ounces. Okay, you can push this and it changes to gram. Or different measurements. Well, here's gram. Okay, here's gram. Okay, and then ounces. Okay, and you can also convert from ounces to gram on YouTube search. So you can say convert 0.72 ounces to gram on YouTube. I mean on Google, and it'll convert it to. But here is another item, right? Let's see. This just a wood glue. See, and it has 8 fluid ounces, so this is about right because it don't include the container. So definitely, okay, here's a peanut. Okay, so this peanut weighs 0.05 ounces. So you see, this is how accurate it is. So definitely get this if you want perfect measurements. If you're trying to lose weight, you want to measure everything. If you're trying to bake a perfect cake, this is what you need, guys. This is a kitchen scale, and it helps you measure food and ingredients. And this thing is only $15 to $20 on Amazon. So go ahead and click on the link below to try it out. This is the brand that you want, AMIR, AMIR brand. And I've had this actually for a few years, okay? I had this for a few years, and it's been going strong. I have not need to change the battery. But if you want to change the battery, as you can see, it actually comes open. See? And here is the battery, and you can replace the battery very fast, easy. But after about, I think, how long I had this? Maybe 3 years, and I never had to replace the battery. But it requires 2 AA batteries. I mean 2 AAA batteries. Okay, so definitely check it out, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you check out this scale. Okay.